Okay, so the current issue with this dryer is the roller's broken. Or at least not working as optimally as they should. I'm gonna set it to the highest heat cycle. Start it and show you like the first couple of minutes as it heats up and how it gets progressively louder and more obnoxious to deal with. There goes the heat, that's a normal sound. Well then, that's also brand new. Great, great. How the fuck am I gonna open this without a fucking crowbar? Now I can... Fuck. I'll be right back. Great. There we go. So I just jammed the door open with a pair of scissors. I just had a mask in here because that needed to be dried out. Yeah. So I will be adding, probably just putting in a new door entirely, to the list. If I can't just like temporarily glue this on, because I'm planning on fixing this weekend. And so we'll get another door. Sweet.